Felix and Winston here. The Fed minutes are good news all around. Why? Because they're basically said there's a 60% likelihood that they will raise rates more. Now, you might think that's not good. They're going to raise rates more. No, the markets are already pricing in an increase by 80%. So the Fed is actually less hawkish than the market. And they acknowledged all the usuals, the cumulative effects of tightening, the banking crisis, all sorts of problems in the economy that they're worried about, credit tightening and everything else. So really, I think they are basically at neutral. I think this really is a pause. I think they really were thinking, well, we're not sure. Should we do more? Should we do less? It didn't come out and go, no, we're going to skip this one just to look at the data and then definitely go more. That's absolutely not what the numbers we're coming out with that we're getting here. And that's positive. Now the market went down a little bit and now it's going back up. And I just think it's because it's a neutral reading. It's not we're definitely getting rate hikes. It's definitely not rates are definitely coming down. Now, by the way, they're also expecting a recession at the end of the year. But again, that isn't necessarily bad for the market because it just means that interest rates will come down at some point. And that's kind of what I've been saying for a while here. So I thought this was as positive as it could possibly have been, honestly. I'm very, very pleased with it. I think it's a good sign. I think it'll keep our tech rally and our AI rally and our EV rally going. There really isn't anything in there to kind of spook us. Winston, what's going on here? Obviously, a particularly smelly lamppost. And I thought it was a Tesla, but no, it's a Porsche. So, yeah, all good news. What's even better news? We're running another live trading training on the coming Tuesday. We're going to teach 1,000 people the strategy that I run, the exact thing, all of it. And we're going to do some live trading together. It's going to be tremendous fun. And I highly encourage you to sign up for it, felixfriends.org/webinar. If there's one thing that I take out of the minutes from kind of a real-world perspective, it's that people on salaried incomes will continue to get screwed, those on lower incomes. And that can be someone who's reasonably well off, but is going to retire and thinks they've got a couple of $1,000s a month to retire on. You're going to have a tough time because the amount of liquidity that's still out there, and we're seeing that from the reverse repo data and stuff, the wealthy've got a tremendous amount of money and access to it, banks do, their hedge funds do, and asset prices will continue to skyrocket while salaries will not, pensions will not. So what I say to everybody is you need a second income stream. And I realized that about 15 years ago, something myself, when I was in a bit of a bind and I was relying on my one business income, which was a pretty decent income, but it was still only the one. And I don't think anybody should go through life having the one. So come and join us. Felix runs the webinar. It'll be great fun. And Winston says, let's go and find something even smellier. Thanks for watching.